Hello friends, how are you? It is Rachel here, and today I am doing a scrapbook layout for Scrapbook Nerd. And the theme for this week is to do a project based on either your mom or friends or something like that. And I actually just recently did a layout of me and my mom, so I kind of wish I would have saved that project for today, but that's okay. Today I am sharing a layout of me and my friends, and this was last year, I believe, in June. And my friends and I had a baby shower for my friend Chelsea. And so this is a picture of a group of us that was there that I'm going to scrapbook today. I did do some Project Life spreads based on this event, but now I'm getting to do a layout, which is fun. So another fun part, speaking of fun, is that this is the first project I'm doing using a bunch of new products that I got from Scrapbook Nerd. Oh my goodness. Oh, the shop is full of goodies right now. This is Crepe Paper Magical Forest, and I am absolutely obsessed. It's so cute. I love the colors. I love the vibes. It's totally me. And I also got Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story Collection, and it's the same feel as because it's crepe paper, so it's kind of like the same feel, which I love, but whole different color scheme and stuff. So I bought that collection as well, and I'm just obsessed. I haven't made anything with it yet, but I'm sure you'll be seeing that soon. These two collections are just so gorgeous, so make sure you go check out the shop if you are also obsessed with these collections. It's so exciting to get these things in the mail because there's not a lot of exciting things going on these days, so when I can just spend a whole day crafting with new products, it's so fun. So what I'm doing here is I am just cutting out little pieces of the papers to layer behind my photo. I'm trying to pick out different colors from my photo, so there's some of those more muted colors in my dress and everyone's outfits, I guess. So I'm trying to pull some of those colors, but it's hard with group photos like this because there's always so much going on in the photo that it's kind of hard to color match well. I took a doily from my stash and layered that behind my photo, and then also some foam from my stash to give it some dimension and that it'll stand out. There are some pieces in this collection that I can't really use because they say, like, there's one that says stay little forever. I don't really have a lot of kids in my life. And then there's others that, like this rabbit, that is a little bit childish, but it's perfect for a layout like this. And they're so like cutesy, and I think this, like, when I saw this collection, I was like, I have to do a baby shower layout for this because, like, it just feels so cutesy, and like I want to make a baby album for someone with this collection because I think that would just be perfect. I think that would be the perfect match. The animals and like the vibes of it, but then also on the other hand, if it's not for like a child or a baby shower or anything like that, you can still make it work. Like, I think it would still work so well. And I have used it for other projects. So it's so cool how versatile this collection is. I really love it. I'm obsessed with the rainbows in it. I really do love that like bronzy kind of accent that it has. I don't even know what color that is. I'm kind of just calling it bronze, but I love that accent color. It's different. I haven't seen it in any other collections yet that I have used. I think it's so cute. I personally love this collection. It feels very vintagey, and like I said, would be the perfect collection for a baby album or a kid's album or something, or like a kid's birthday party, or like I'm doing here, a shower. Like, I just think it's so cutesy. And yeah. So I also got I got almost everything that the shop offered for this collection. So I got the 12 by 12 paper pad. I think I got the 6 by 8 paper pad as well, maybe. I can't remember if it was for this collection or the other one, but then I also got the chipboard sheet, the cardstock stickers, these like enamel kind of stickers, and then both of the word thickers. I got the other kind of sticker sheet. It's like clear stickers, and I got the puffy stickers. I got it all, guys. I am obsessed with this collection, and I think I'm going to need more thickers because these are really, really cute. I love them. I'm surprised at how much I love these thickers. Yeah, I just think everything is just so cute. I'm just obsessed. And I sent a message to Chelsea, who obviously you see the baby shower was for. And I'm excited to see what she says because I sent her the picture of this layout. And so I'm excited to see how she likes it. It's just for my album, but I thought she might like to see the photo or the layout that I made. I did a little kind of like dotted line or like made it look like a sewn line on the border of the paper because I don't know, I just didn't want like full straight regular lines. I liked that dotted line instead. I think it goes along with the vibes of this layout, and I'm just going to do a little bit of black splatters because there's black in the photo and then also black in that Make Memories and one of the hearts as well. So I just kind of wanted to bring a little bit more of that in, and that finishes this layout. I love it so much. I'm going to put all the links down below for the shop, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!